Wait, come up. I'm upstairs.
I see.
Look, that's right.
I know.
I come up all the way here. Hurrah!
Okay, what do we do now?
Play.
What?
I'm going to bed.
We want to play? Come here, no light, no light. We're going to put Carter in his bed. He's going to take a nap.
Books.
Books?
Yes.
Okay, get me a book. Which book do you want to see?
The fairs.
Oh, yeah, there's a fan.
Wait, I push it.
Okay.
We push that.
I'm going to put it right here.
I push that.
No, you can't push that. Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.